The objective for this video is to learn how to calculate binomial probabilities using the TI graphing calculator. According to the 2012 Pet Ownership and Demographics Sourcebook, 36.5% of U.S. households own at least one dog. If 10 U.S. households are randomly selected, what is the probability that at least 4 would own at least one dog? In Part 1 of the series on using the TI graphing calculator to find binomial probabilities, we verified the criteria for this binomial experiment. Pause the video now if you would like to review these criteria. The probability that at least 4 would own at least one dog can be written in probability notation as the probability that x would be greater than or equal to 4. Since this is a discrete random variable, we can find this probability by subtracting the probability that x would be less than or equal to 3 from 1. We can do this using the binom CDF function on the TI graphing calculator. In order to use the TI graphing calculator to find the probability that x is greater than or equal to some value, we must subtract an accumulated binomial probability from 1. So we will begin by typing 1 minus, and then press second VARS, and then we will cursor down until we find the binom CDF function. Press enter. The number of trials is 10. The probability of a success is 0.365. This time we're going to find the probability that x is greater than or equal to 4, so we will have to subtract the probability that x is less than or equal to 3 from 1. Cursor down and highlight paste and press enter. If you are using a TI graphing calculator that does not present a menu for entering the required values, then you will need to place the values in order. That order will be n, then p, then x, with commas in between each value. Press enter, and we will find that this probability is 0.5267 if we round to 4 decimal places. In this video, we learned how to calculate binomial probabilities using the TI graphing calculator.